Let's do another month's unboxing from Vegan Osaka. What do we have? Amazing. This is a plant-based fried chicken. I've already tried one. You can tell it's super good. I had it on rice or in a sandwich. Mini sausages. Awesome. This is new this time. Maple mustard sausage roll. Just put that in the oven. Bagels. Yay! Love bagels. All the amazing cheeses we get every month. Fresh dill cheddar. Green olive cheddar. More sausage rolls. And this steak medallions. My goodness. Always such a great day to get a Vegan Osaka package. Thanks, guys.